I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pumziwe and welcome back to a brand new vlog. Today is race day. The time is 4:36 and runners are up. I've been up actually in going on 3:30. I think it's because I'm panicking for the race. I am really panicking. In fact, in Lalin panic, so but today is the day and this is lapha ngoku. So we just need to go and conquer that race. So fanman ndiyaphuma actually fanman ngiphume ngo4:30 because if nega ndibese Midrand by 5. So I just want to show you guys what I have in my bag. So ngizawuphatha le bag le. Usually ndifaka amanzi ke kule bag on a normal day. Oh, okay. Usually amanzi angena up. But this compartment is empty today because into your oxygen mostly. Hey, serious mostly. Literally, into your oxygen lena. When I have your oxygen up. And then no for your oxygen it was like connect her up for your oxygen. Wow, okay. Anyway, we're not gonna use this compartment because the Yamans and in the racing, so I don't need water because there's gonna be water points every 3 kilometers. And then in this compartment I have my 8-hour cream because on phone bunny lips is a trying baleka. And then I have my sports gel and another sports gel here, vanilla lena, the other one is orange. And then I have 2 of these electrolyte gels. And then I have an energy bar. Yeah, and that's it for my race pack. And then what else? Race pack, the actual race pack kind of collected my sister collected it for me, so ndizodibana naye Midrand because ndiyakwakhe ndizobhaka imoto yam kwakhe, and then umyeni wakhe uzoyosdropha eracing aphinde ayospicka up because traffic on a race, so at least uzosdropha aphinde aspick it up. So my actual race pack ndizoyifumana kuye. Then I can attach my running license and my race number. So yeah, let me show you guys my outfit and then ndihambe. Also, if you watch my Garmin, shame guys, ever since I think Garmin, the Apple Watch it's just vibes njengayo. Indlela engayisebenzisi ngayo sana. Ndilibala noyicharger uziqonda. I need to actually charge it ndiyisebenzisa nabakuphakathi evekini. So yeah guys, I'm very nervous bethuna azange nervous ngaka for a race. But let me show you guys my outfit and then ndihambe because ndizoba late bendithe ngizofika pha ngo-5 and 22 ngoku. But I think I'll be fine with akho race, akho traffic mos. Okay, here's my outfit guys. I'm wearing my tights from Total Sports and my Ultra Boost Adidas running shoes. Socks are from Versus. I think every runner knows that you must buy your socks from Versus. And then my Nike t-shirt, my Garmin watch, and my Nike cap. I initially had a goal uba ndifuna ugqiba in 2 hours 30 minutes, but at this point ndifuna nje ugqiba at least gain less than 3 hours. But igoal yam ka-2:30 ndiyekile ngoku because I haven't been training. I think that's why also I'm nervous because andikhange ndibaleka iveki yonke for umuntu ozawubaleka u-21 namhlanje. It's because ndinane-fever and there was a lot going on, so I couldn't run. So imagine ndiveske ndiqala ubaleka ndisendiyobaleka u-21. But guys mandihambe so that ndingabi late. I hope you guys enjoy the vlog And please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys later. My battery is flashing. So share camera yam charge so that I can continue vlogging because we're going out for lunch after a race. So yeah guys, enjoy the vlog. Let me go and be great.
What could he do for me? I told him that my love is free. But can you match me? I can do it all for myself. Want you, but really don't need help. So can you match me? I like luxury. I like fancy things. Shine on my body. Live like royalty. Treat you like a king. If I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born to live in luxury. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. I'm serving rich Auntie Chloe B. I know my job is a blessing, but F you, take me. Rocks on my wrist, fur on my feet. Setting the table in all the chic. Baby, come eat. I like luxury. I like fancy things. Shine on my body. Guys, I am officially done with my first half marathon. I am so excited. I'm so proud of myself. I'm so proud of how it went all together, because I was panicking for this race. I was panicking so much because of le fever in throw off. So I was really panicking. Next thing 21, but it wasn't so bad. Like, it wasn't so bad at all. Even my pace says the same thing, but it actually wasn't so bad because my pace was 7.4, which is a pretty good pace, especially for 21. And there were so many hills, but I tried to push and I tried to negotiate with the hill. Almost don't fight the hill. So I wasn't fighting the hill, I was negotiating with the hill, and now I have my medal. I'm so proud. I'm so proud. In fact, proud is an understatement. I'm over the moon. I'm excited. So now I am going home. Shame, guys, if you put your mind to something, you'll achieve it. You know, I think Mass is challenging. Challenge yourselves. But Anfunu's challenge at 242. That's one thing in Ngafunu Yenza. But 221, no, I can do Abanyo 21. I think even the next time I go to a race, I'll just be doing 21. However, on Wednesday, I'm going to a race. Lena I say Absa. Lena and the winner giveaway ke apple. I don't even think there is a 21 actually, Leah. I wanted to go to that race initially, but by the time Dibona link yama ticket, they were sold out. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna miss it. But they were running a giveaway, so I won that giveaway. Especially izinto ezinjalo mna, izinto ezidibene ne giveaway. Yabona zanto ezifuna like man. Andifane ndiziwine two ezazinto eziyam. But I won this one. So okay. That's exciting. So on Wednesday I'm going there. But I'm like, wait, it's just 10 kilometers. I want 10 kilometers it's just 10 kilometers because sending to a marathon sending to a half marathon. So 10 kilometers, honestly, I shouldn't even be bothered by 10 kilometers. So I'll go to that race on Wednesday. Maybe I won't run tomorrow, I'll rest. And then Monday, I'll do Nobang 5. And then Tuesday, there's Nobang 5. So that on Wednesday,
be ready for like 10. Oh, but I'm so proud of myself, shame guys. I'm so proud of myself. I'm so proud of my sister Lobin Balega Naye. We did so well. We did so well. Ooh, guys, I feel so good. This is how I want to feel every day because I feel really, really good. That's why I need to run, I need to eat healthy. I feel very good when I and the gym and sit healthy. And that's by indonesian so I can feel good every day. Because when I don't eat healthy, I feel good for 5 seconds in Jangayo, and then for the rest of the day I feel bad. So it's not worth it. I must exercise, I must run, so I can feel good all the time. Oh guys, I'm so excited. Anyway, I'm going home now. I'm gonna get home, freshen up, and then ndifuna uinstalla iwig ke sana. Yabona ndifuna uinstalla iwig, but andikwazi bethuna na uinstalla iwig. Yo ayindihlupha into yami ngakwazi uzinstalla. I cannot install a week to save my life, but I'm gonna try so I can look decent kule lunch. And funo yange gamarobozo, because we're going out for lunch. It's her birthday today, so we're going out to Amman to celebrate her birthday. So that's what's happening. So now I'm going home to freshen up and then go to Woodmead for the lunch. So yeah, let's talk later. I'll probably vlog when sends his makeup here. I don't know how that's gonna work, but I'll try to vlog and send the makeup, and then yeah, take you guys to Amman with me. All right guys, bye. I'll see you guys when I am getting ready and clean. Hey, sesingabo bantu ke ngoku sana, singabo bantu. Sayinxiba emsebenzini ngomso, akho umuntu ungazuyazi babe ndibaleke u21 emsebenzini, kokwa umuntu ungazuyazi sana. In fact, izaba i-thumbnail yami kule vlog xa ndiyiposta. Oh guys, balekani bethunana, makubalekwe. Ndizama no installa iwig. Yabona ke le installation izandohlula. I just know. So I'm not gonna draw my eyebrows. I've used the brow gel already, so I'm just gonna apply foundation. I'm trying to save time because I'm late. Yummy. Don't know. What can you title yum? This is what I use to prep my face. Oh, Sana, the lighting makeup is so bad. But it's the MAC Studio Radiance Moisturizing and Illuminating Silky Primer Base. Yeah, that's what it is. No zantelunga kweli apa ndenzi makeup yam nje na. Ndenzi makeup no zawuzukwazi ukwela apa. Ndicela mntanam. Please. Awufuna khona ubukela Miss Rachel. Awufuna ubukela Miss Rachel. Awu bawe. Tinga ukufakela Miss Rachel nas.
I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born to live in luxury. Auntie Chloe B, I know my job is a blessing, but F you, pay me. Rocks on my wrist, fur on my feet, setting the table in all the chic. Baby, come eat. I like that.
Challenge in the sana installation, guys, and because it was installer, and I actually want to look nice, and fundamental pumanga maropozo. Yo, so I needed to install, and andikwazi ukuzi installa sana. Ndinomona kanjani abantu abakwazi use install. Oh my goodness. I love this foundation. I actually want to try the Lancome one, but I really love this one as well. When my skin looks good, you are right, it sits nicely. And then I use my Fenty Beauty concealer. Where's my ear peeler? But I think I've showed you guys my makeup products before. I think so. The glove vlog yasemonti done in the makeup upper vlog, and I think I showed you, unless I didn't bonus. But some of my products are not complicated at all. In fact, I want new products. Yo, indlela edura ngayo makeup. But I actually really need new products. This is the sponge I got from a Cotton On. Already give you the time and the place, so don't be shy. This can't be the man I need. Oh. Xa ndiphakamisa apha into ezovela iyoyikisa, ndoyika noyifilmisha kwikhamera because iyothusa into ezovela phantsi kwele. Also, this week is not the best week, which is so unfortunate because it wasn't cheap. The lace is not HD. Okay, fine. But i-wig nje kwauqobo layo, it's not the best quality. So yeah, ndayisa kula ndawo ndandiyithenge kuyo. Bathi mandiyizise, but it's been long, so abanokwazi uyijikisa bandinike entsha, so they can only treat it for me. And my treat I get, but I don't know. Iveske ibe fukufuku ibe ngathi mntakabawo ndiligqwerha kule week. Yo, I really don't like equality yayo, shame. Gogo, I'm even skeptical uthenga pha because kaloku i-week ezovela ikwenziwe ngathi uligqirha uzayithini. But ke I have actually ordered i-week entsha from Mthatha, from this other girl. I saw this girl on TikTok uthengisa i-wig. She was le video yakhe actually bendibona kuyo. She was explaining the difference between double drawn and super double drawn it is, because I actually don't understand the difference. So I was like, okay, let me listen, because I don't know the difference. And then I explain. So while I was watching her video, Ben Bonba Zintle has actually because I this girl, and she looks like she just started a business. Yeah. And I feel like when it comes to e-wig, a lot of people get scammed by e-wig. So I feel like once in dawo ibe established, then benza lanti snacks yobe bethengisela abantu abathile into lezi right, then abanye abantu bafumana izingekho right. So I was like, maybe because usaqala shame, I'm sure akanoyenza into njalo. So I tried her out. So ngoku ke ndilinde lo wig yam isuka eMthatha. I can't wait to show you guys, and I'm sure if izofika kwakule vlog okanye izofika on the next vlog, but xa ndiyifumana I'll just unbox it with you guys. I'm just gonna use my old beauty blender because I don't like how my concealer is sitting. I don't know if you let beauty blender okanye the problem is actually me and my application, but I'll just use my old beauty blender.
Rich Auntie Chloe B. I know my job is a blessing, but F you, hate me. Rocks on my wrist, fur on my feet, setting the table in all the chic. Baby, come eat. I like luxury, I like fancy things. Shine on my body, live like royalty. Treat you like a king if I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm
Guys, I swear my makeup looks better in person than it looks on the camera. I don't know why it looks like that on the camera. I had to go check the other mirror but it looks so much better. Maybe when I'm done, when I'm at a different lighting, izobonakala vision yami. Guys, I'm almost done with my face. I just need to do touch-ups, then fucking lashes. But I think I'm almost done. The problem. Hi, Kessan. I don't know about. I end up on the cool. Uten. Oh, like call pipi yako. End up on the cool because galoka. It could turn out so bad that I know was young. Guys, my install actually didn't come out too bad. At least in Puma, Gale installed the bantwin. Even my makeup looks nice. I'm just gonna apply a gloss and then get dressed. Then diambe. I'll show you guys my outfit of the day when I'm dressed and send it for Puma. But I'm not mad at this face and I'm not mad at my install. Most importantly, Nale week. Here's my shame. Yes. Okay, let me get dressed because I'm late. Hi guys, I'm gonna do my outfit of the day upper glare passage because so let me show you what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this top from Shein. These pants were from Jet, and then I'm wearing my Gucci slides. I forgot my bag, but I'm gonna carry my Coach bag. Yeah. I'll attach pictures. I'm sure I'll take pictures, so I'll attach pictures of the full outfit. And this tatile. Let me go, guys, because I'm late and because I'm not clear. So I'm so pack. I just wanna pass by Woolworths and tell chicken and then go drive to Woodmead because we're going to Amman. But yeah, here's my outfit. I think I look cute and I'm just proud of my install on JD. But I like my outfit. I look cute. Let's go to Woolies and then Amman.
Stand by the fire, your tiny hand in mine. You're 5 feet off the ground. You rest on my shoulder as stars convey the light, so fragile in the night. In this moment, forever be in this moment, forever be. The night fades like a whispered song as time rushes on. Oh, it won't be long, fading now into a memory, a picture on the wall, a moment frozen not to fall. In this moment, forever be. In this moment, this moment, forever be, forever be. In this moment, in this moment, forever be, forever be. Forever be.
Hi guys, andisadinwanga bethunana ndivloga ndilelinda ngomqolo because ndidinwe nyhani. Today was a very long day. It was so nice though. It was so nice. So ngoku I'm gonna wash my face. I want to try ndenze umsebenzi wesikolo noba yiparagraph eyi-1 noba ndingabhali iparagraph eyi-1 ndingalala kamnandi because ndiyapenika ngoku. So I need to do umsebenzi wam wesikolo. By the time I post this vlog funeka ndibe ndikude nomsebenzi wesikolo guys, and you know what, ndizoprioritize ueditha le vlog instead of ukwenza umsebenzi wam wesikolo. Yo, I need to start doing umsebenzi wam wesikolo. Hey, I wonder ndinethemba lantoni. Inoba ndinethemba lantoni? Yo, but guys, sana mandikhe ndihlambe ubuso bam. Ndizawuzama ukwenza umsebenzi wesikolo. Wesi uAmanda Mfoniselo noThando Hadebe, they posted vlogs today and I love their channels so much, but I can't watch today. Shame ngabe ndiyazisabotaja. So I'll try and catch up tomorrow on vlogs zabo. And yeah, I need to also make a slow make. Yo ndisana guys, umzimba ubuhlungu, inyawo zibuhlungu, imilenze like ndiyagowa, especially inyawo zam. Inyawo zam zibuhlungu. So I need to try ndiphole. Wesiba on Wednesday, the public holiday, I'm actually going to another race. Hey, but it's just gonna be a 10-kilometer race, so that's fine because that's something I do on a normal day. So yeah, ndiyakulo race. It's that, is it called Absa race or Joburg 10K into njalo? It's the one I won. I don't know if I told you guys the story, but I won a giveaway. Ngiqala win giveaway ever. I think I did tell you the story. I did, yeah. So yeah, le giveaway. So yeah, I will see you guys during the week. Bye for now. Hi guys, it's Medal Monday today. Oko namhlanje benginxibe imedal yam. Akho mntu ungayaziyo. Sana ufuna undishayisa lo utyhudisayo apha. Akho mntu ungayaziyo uba bendibaleka u-21 emsebenzini. And ngoku I'm on my way to, my lips are so dry. Yazi khandiphathe into ethambisa umlomo namhlanje imini yonke sana. I'm on my way to Joburg, yeah, bendisatsho, to collect my race pack for a race Wednesday. This week is actually so busy. Today was Medal Monday. Ngomso kunxitywa iheritage emsebenzini. So ngombhaco, I'll show you guys my outfit ngomso ekuseni. And then Wednesday ibeyile race. And then yeah, iphele into bithethwa. So let's go to Joburg. I'm going to Joburg. Joburg is in CBD because le race lena ilapha. Abantu sizobanjwa ngamaphara na. Sisabaleka apha. Sibanjwe ngamaphara because le race I think nayo ilapha town.
Yeah, Amaru. I need a second. I need to think this through.
Hi guys, so I don't normally vlog on Team 17, but today I had to because let me show you guys what I'm wearing. Team 17. It's the day before Heritage Day, so there's a small lunch. So let me show you guys what I'm wearing. The camera. Okay, so here's my outfit. I don't usually do isn't as traditional like a job bag because they're a bit pricey. So and my sandals, the ones that I got recently from a Woolies. And I think I ate. Then there's Dambo. This was actually supposed to go so but so I did this stylish side don't here. And this is my outfit of the day. Let me go to work, but I'm gonna pack scrubs because in China late and I don't think I'm comfortable with and back, you know. So yeah, this is my outfit. Yeah, mama lapa kavele. Yeah, mama lapa kavele. Jibonu trimbo. Kegangaka kavele. Yeah, mama lapa kavele. Yeah, mama lapa kavele. Jibonu sebenzo. Kegangaka.
Yeah. Feels like I know you girl all my life when I'm with you. Nothing else matter, you know that. Nothing else matter, don't go back. I don't they wait on you for too long, but I want you. Them go tell you you should fall back. Deep inside you know that I go make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey. Yeah, make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey. Yeah, she turn it up like a radio. 10 out of 10, that's my baby, yo. Knows how to make me go crazy, yo. Hey, my baby is something, rolling her eyes just to let me know. Sometimes we argue like here we go. When we make up, it's a movie, though. Hey, I can never get enough, babe. Feels like I known you girl all my life when I'm with you. Nothing else matter, you know that. Nothing else matter, don't go back. I don't they wait on you for too long, but I want you. Them go tell you you should fall back. Deep inside you know that I go make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey. Yeah, make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey. Yeah. Oh, my.
Guys, this was by far the best race I've ever been to. Literally, like, it was so well organized, it was so fun. Races are fun anyway, but this one was just very fun, very well organized, you know, heavy on the well organized because it was very well organized. Some races are not very well organized, kudlula imoto ngonbalekayo okanye kuphela manzi, but kulena race there was none of that. So yeah, 10 out of 10 Absa, 10 out of 10 Doll. And the VIP experience, I said cherry, that was the cherry on top. Because I went to sit with couch and they fed us. There were drinks, there was alcohol for those who wanted to have alcoholic drinks. It was just so fun, guys. 10 out of 10. So we've decided to come to Proud Mary for smallanyana breakfast and then get will part ways. So yeah, I'm here now. I'm just waiting for and then siambe. But guys, I love running. I love running so much. I want to be a serious runner, you know. I feel like I'm a runner, but I'm because serious, like I'm going to club point and front of your club point, so that in the Asba, yeah, I'm there. I'm there at the top. But yeah, it was so fun. I need to try and find another race because it's a Soweto marathon and because there's just it is needs around that race. I don't even think it's safe to go, so I'm not gonna go to Soweto marathon. I would have loved to do 21, but no, I'll find a race before the year ends. So yeah, let's go and have breakfast at Proud Mary, and then go to again. I need to buy indoors of cleaner. Isephu yasendlini. Uthe andimanzi nantoni enye into kanene. Oh, ne plastic ezimnyama for the bin. And yeah, that is all. I'm just waiting for these girls to pack. Yeah, I think we are back. All right, sharp kick.
Mine can't go one more day without you. No, no. Lately there's something that's missing. Empty bed doesn't feel empty hearts. Typical me reminiscing. A memory doesn't heal open scars. Late night drinking, wishful thinking. What if you were here? Morning and waking, heart still aching. Something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night. I don't wanna put